How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get it done. If this video helps you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. Your Google Map, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Continue to scroll down until you locate navigation settings and tap on it. This will drop you onto an interface like this. And the navigation settings, you could see sound and voices. Under it, you could see the mute state. Currently it's muted, so if you want to enable your voice navigation in Google Maps, you have to unmute it. And with the guidance volume, you can either let it to be softer, normal, or louder. In my case, I left it normal. So you can proceed to scroll down and then look at how you want the play voice over Bluetooth, whether you want it to play over Bluetooth or even during phone call, as well as audio cues. So whichever option that best suits you, you can allow it. You can even play the test sound to hear how it will sound in the event is playing. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.